Here's how to set up your Bytes Digital 4G Wi-Fi router. Start by unpacking your router and antenna. Firstly, screw in the two Wi-Fi antennas to the back of the router as shown. Next, unpack your external antenna. Connect the two ends of the external antenna cable to the mobile ports on the back of the router like so. You do not need to worry about the BT or GPS ports on the back of the router. When everything is plugged in, the back of your router should look like this. Next, unpack the power cable and plug it in to the front of the router like so. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the router to fully power up and connect to 4G. The light next to 4G will illuminate to let you know it is connected. When the router is connected to 4G, you can connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network with the username and password shown on the instructions. For the optimal signal strength, we recommend mounting your external antenna outside, on a window, or as high up as possible. If you have any questions or need any help at all, please contact Bytes Digital Support on 01275 867 687 or email support@bytesdigital.co.uk.